5-day AI Monetization Bootcamp. 5 days, 5 businesses, 0 tech skills, 0 capital needed. What if I told you that in just 5 days? You could launch 5 real profitable AI-powered businesses, even if you have 0 tech skills and little or no money to invest. This is not a webinar. It's not another boring course. It's a boot camp. And I'm challenging you to build a new business every single day for 5 days straight. Day 1, launch your own video agency. Day 2, start a digital publishing and audiobook business. Day 3, build and monetize a YouTube channel without showing your face. Day 4, create and sell funnels and mini websites. Day 5, launch a profitable online course or coaching program. People earning online. People getting YouTube views, creating ebooks. You don't need any prior experience. You don't need a single client to get started. And you don't need to spend a fortune on fancy tools. I've packed everything I've learned about fast, simple, low-risk online businesses into this 5-day journey. It's 100% free. But the value you'll get is worth more than any course you've ever got. By the end of this bootcamp, you don't just understand AI monetization. You'll be doing it. 5 days, 5 businesses, 1 decision. So get your free spot now before it's gone. Register now. Let's make this your breakthrough year. See you inside. 5-day AI monetization bootcamp. Learn it, build it, launch it, monetize it.